Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. So first things, I wanted to let you know that all of the books that I will be sharing with you until we get back to school are all books that are ebooks that you all have access to. So remember, to know how to do those, you can go to my website. You can also go to our YouTube page. There's a little video there that explains how to get to those. And you can always email me and I'll help you. So today's book is called Belly Up. This is by Stuart Gibbs. Lots of you have read tons of his books. Very lighthearted, very funny. So in this one, we have our main character, Teddy, who his family works at the local zoo. One day, him and his friend are walking around the zoo like they always do to check on all of the animals, and they realize that Henry the hippo is, well, belly up. So the local police don't really think that anything's wrong. They just think that the hippo died of natural causes. But our main character, Teddy, knows that there is more to the story. So him and his best friend set out on a super secret, behind-the-scenes investigation and start to figure out things that they really wish that they wouldn't have. So what happened to Henry? Who killed him? Was he killed at all? Was it natural causes? To find out, you would have to read Belly Up. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.